Welcome back, everybody. It's been a while. It's been almost a year since I was last on this channel, and almost 3 years now since I last posted a tech video on this channel, like with me in it. And honestly, it feels a little bit weird to be recording this. So I'm making this video to touch base with you guys, give you an update on what's going on in my life, give you some explanation of what you've seen on the channel over the past few months, and talk a little bit about the future of this channel and what you'll see on it going forward. A lot's happened since we last spoke. I graduated from UNC earlier this year. I majored in business. I'm still working on my startup, Vade. We actually just closed our seed round of funding, and that's now my full-time job. And I moved to a new place with my girlfriend, who you can see back there. Oh, and I also got a puppy. This is Tofu. He just woke up from a nap. I'm terrible. I woke him up for this. But he's dominated my life for the last few weeks in the best way possible. Over the past year, I've been thinking about this channel a lot because it's been a few years since I was posting on it. When BLM picked up, I posted a song by Trey Jack in an effort to give black creators the opportunity to use this platform that I wasn't using. And then I hired a freelance guy to make top list videos that I posted somewhat recently, and I saw your comment. Yes, not the best idea. I heard you. Won't be any more of those. And then I got a message on LinkedIn, which I use all the time now, which is weird. But I got a message from the guys at Tech Barn, and it was just a normal message. They were reaching out saying they loved the videos that I made back when I was making videos, and they asked for any advice. And they said, I don't have the exact quote, but they said something like, we make videos too, they're super high quality, but we don't have the viewership that represents that. And I didn't think much of it at first, but then I went and watched their videos, and they were not lying. These are some of the best videos I've seen on YouTube. Not just even tech videos, but just best videos, best produced videos. And they deserve a much larger viewership. That they were not lying. So then I asked them to make some videos for this channel, and I put those up over the past few months. The videos came out amazing. You guys seem to really like them. And then it seemed to all click. I have this platform that I don't make videos on, and they're incredible at making videos, but don't have the same platform. And I guess you can probably see where this is going. So from here on out, I'm giving them the reins to this channel. I won't be completely absent. You might just see me in a few clips in some of the videos they're making. And who knows, if you guys want me to, maybe I'll make a video here and there and put it on the channel as well. And before all this happened, I asked myself, will I ever come back to YouTube? Will I ever make videos again? And maybe, it's possible, but it would be in a very different way and different enough to warrant its own channel. I still have that desire to express my voice and my opinion, but not necessarily on the same topics or in the same way. So for now, I'm really excited to see where this goes. These guys are young, they're smart, they're unbelievable at making videos, and they know how to run a YouTube channel, they know how to cater to an audience. So I'm really excited to see what they can do making videos on this channel. Anyway, that's going to be it for this video. I hope you guys are all well. I hope you're healthy. I hope you're safe. I know these have been really strange times. It's been quite a year so far, and it's weird making this video for me. I'm sure it's weird for you guys to be watching this. I'm really excited about the future. I'm looking forward to seeing where this comes, and these guys really, they deserve so much with the videos that they're making. Other than that, my name's Matt. Thank you for watching, and as always, stay classy.